Hello guys, welcome back to Vondessa J. Today is a Shein clothing haul and it's with my new body for right now. I have lost 35 pounds, so I have picked out some pieces on Shein and let's see how much I have transformed but yet picked the right pieces from the Shein haul. So if you want to see what I picked out, stay tuned.
Soft glow, la lasts, that's Vondessa.
Okay guys, so I have lost 35 pounds so far. My goal is 50 pounds. So years ago, I was in 2012, I was 400 pounds. I was 398 pounds. And I lost a whole bunch of weight and I maintained the weight loss. And last year, I was just like, my goal for next year, starting January, I want to lose 50 pounds. So, and that's after finding out that I was a diabetic in November of last year. So I'm off all medicines. When I went back to my doctor, I hadn't lost 10 pounds. So she was like, you keep losing the weight, guess what? You won't have to worry about any of this. So guys, that is what I did. I changed up my eating. I went back to my original diet that I used when I was 400 pounds and I lost 225 pounds. So I wanted to implement that diet back. I am doing very well with the diet. I have lost 35 pounds so far. And yes, I still have some more to go because my goal is 50. 60 is not bad, but I want to be realistic and say 50. I do have a breast reduction coming up. So that is another reason why I wanted to lose the weight, because I wanted everything to kind of like be cohesive. And I'm thinking about getting a tummy tuck. I end up with tummy after being hit by a drunk driver in 2011, and I had 8 stomach surgeries. So I have a fupa and I hate it, okay? But nevertheless, guys, we are going to see what my new body look like in this. Also, my niece in love is going on a cruise, so I did pick her up 2 pieces, and also my baby girl is going on a trip with my sister, so therefore she did pick up some pieces. So guys, first I'm going to show you myself and kind of like where I was versus where I am now. That's close to the end. So let me go ahead and show you these pieces.
Storm outside raining, I'm keeping you home. Quiet conversation makes me warm. So yeah, spring rain whispers you to sleep and wakes you up again. Sometimes I swear I hear her call my name. You wash away the pain, my spring rain. In the middle of the night when I'm alone, I feel her kisses on me even when she's gone. Can't wait till she gets home. Spring rain, yeah. Oh, whispers you to sleep and wakes you up again. Sometimes I swear I hear him call my name. wash away the pain. My spring rain, I don't mind if it rains forever. Rain, rain, let it rain. I said I don't mind if it rains forever. Rain, rain, let it rain. So go ahead and make it rain. You bring the sunshine back again. So go ahead and make it rain. Your tender touches wash away my rain. Spring rain whispers me to sleep and wakes me up again. Sometimes I swear I hear her call my name to wash away the pain. My spring rain. Spring rain whispers me to sleep and wakes me up again. Sometimes I swear I hear him call my name to wash away the pain.
Okay, so my niece is going on a cruise. So I have already gotten some pieces for the boys. It's 3 of them, Jeremiah, Kanan, and KJ. So I have already gotten their pieces. And then in collab I just recently did with the men, I picked up some things for my nephew, Kirsten. So he has a pair of shorts and 2 shirts for the cruise. So the last one was Shonda, okay? So I did pick up 2 pieces for Shonda. She was like, Auntie, we're gonna be on a cruise. I want it to look island looking. So this is the jumper that I picked up for Shonda. This jumper is a pant jumper. So you kind of like see it right here. She told me, she said, Auntie, I do need it sized up just in case. So if I'm not mistaken, I put the size like right here, the size that I gave, I did get her. So it is a very cute jumper. I love it. It does have some little details of some little beads right there. So you have 3 little beads there. So it's spaghetti strap. It is adjustable. So if you need to adjust it, that is something that I do love about Shein. If you have jumpers like this with the straps, most of them you can adjust it, and I absolutely love that. So this is the print. So it looks so islandy looking. So this is the first piece that I picked up for Shonda. So let's go over to the next piece that I did pick up for her. So the other piece, guys, that I picked up for my niece in love is this white. It looks like a dress, but it has shorts up under there. It has 2 splits on each side, but it's shorts and it has 2 splits. So you will see it here. So this was really, really cute. And she was like, Auntie, she was like, that white would definitely be a gem. So this is the dress, and it's cut lower in the back than the front. So this is the dress. I call it a dress, but it's shorts, but it's absolutely so pretty. It is sheer on the bottom. It is sheer, and these are the little shorts. So this is the other piece for Shonda. So guys, now it is time for baby girl. So she did pick up, well, I picked the 2 pieces. Happened she liked them, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead now and show you the pieces for baby girl.
She's beautiful, she's brown skin, she's a princess, she's educated, she's embryo. Congratulations, Tambriella. Because of her beauty, she is my princess. Because of her smarts, she made all A's. Because of her brown skin, well, you know. Congrats to Amber, she's beautiful.
And that's a wrap. Take two.